Hi, my name is Nick with Sentinel Security Solutions. I'm going to be showing you today how to change a battery in a PowerG Auxiliary Contact. First, you're going to take a flathead screwdriver and take off the screw cover at the bottom. Then you will take a Phillips screwdriver and take off the main cover of your sensor. You're going to pull from the bottom to the top and slide off. Remove your battery. It is a CR123A. Put your new battery in. Make sure positive is in the right direction. Snap in. Place your cover first on the top and then drop it down. Use your Phillips and screw it back in. Then you'll take your little cover for the screw and snap right on. And that's how you change a PowerG auxiliary battery.